Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raya and my YouTube channel is Raya_Home44. And today I am going to use peel and stick. What do you call that? Backsplash or something, but it's called a backsplash. I am in the powder room downstairs, and I have been wanting to put the backsplash over here. Oh, sorry about that, but as I was saying, I have been wanting to put a backsplash over here, and I didn't want to go through the process of doing the real backsplash, like cutting and measuring and putting grout and mortar, etc. But what I have found out is there is something that can do that. It's a peel and stick self-adhesive adhesive wall tiles. Let me flip the camera. This one is called room decor self-adhesive wall tiles, and I got the Subway style white color with a gray mortar. I am very excited because I haven't done this before, and I bought this at Amazon, but I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. But I am going to show you how I do it. So in the package, there is an instructions for use. You just see first, for this first style, you need to cut the jagged side. So you're gonna do a straight cut first, like over here, straight cut, and then put the cast side on the edge of the wall, and then start overlapping. Do not put the first style in this way, otherwise you will have trouble lining up. So I'm gonna follow that instruction, but I don't think it's complicated. But all you have to do is just use a very sharp scissors to cut the first side, and then make sure that you line it up. First, you're gonna have to, I guess, clean the wall just so you can remove a little bit of the oil residue in it. So, yeah. Bit. So we will have to let it dry for a little bit, and then we could start putting in the peel and stick backsplash. That's the first style right there. That's the first style that we already put in. Sorry, she's my assistant, my daughter. She's also in the video.
That tore.
She's fine. So as you can see, it's there. It's sticking pretty good. Now we're gonna go get on to the huh?
Say hi to
Yeah, you can say hi.
Hello.
Okay, now I'm gonna go then get the next style, and then we'll put it in there. Now this is going to be interesting because I did not remove the mirror. I just want it there so I don't have to worry about taking it off later. But we're gonna try to stick this one right in the back. Okay.
Mommy, you want me to do it?
It's fine. I think I can try to do it.
You sure?
But we're gonna try to line this up like so. And hoping this thing will work. Well, it looks like
Want me to do it?
you can help do it. Okay, you can pause the video in there.
Mommy, can you hold the camera?
I can hold the camera. Okay.
Yes.
You'll be my here. Okay. Try to line it up, okay?
Okay.
So my daughter is going to do it.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. Make sure there's no gap in between. Make sure the gray parts line up.
Okay.
Perfect.
Mommy, I think you need to pull.
Okay, now let's switch.
Later, let's pull it back, okay?
Okay. Okay, let's hold on to that. And then okay, pause the movie. We had to pause the video because I needed my daughter to help me connect the two tile. Plus this one, the mirror didn't help that this is in the way. So if you're gonna do it in your home, you might want to remove the mirror. But for me, I'm having trouble removing it, so that's why I kept it. I kept this mirror here. And also, since my sink is kind of like okay, it's kind of like curvy over here below, so I need to cut this excess later.
Keyword.
So here's the final product of the peel and stick backsplash, and it was easy. It's pretty easy to put it in, but it's going to be pretty easier if you don't have the mirror installed, because this one I had to like work around the mirror. But anyway, it worked out so well, and I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!